Hey guys, today we are doing the final Disney Princess for my Disney Princess series. So that means that we're going to have to start a new series soon. So you guys will have to let me know what series you want to see next. I really enjoyed doing this one. I feel like it's made me be creative and given me some fun looks that I probably otherwise wouldn't have done. And I feel like this is my first series that I have ever fully committed to and finished. So I'm quite proud. I'm just quickly priming my eyes with the P. Louise base. Today we are doing Snow White, and I've already got a look in mind. Let's get straight to it. Today I'm going to take my James Charles palette, and I think the first colour, I need to have a look at her and see. Is it a light blue or a dark blue? It changes through the photos. Some of it's light, some of it's dark. I'm just trying to... Okay. Right, so I think I'm going to take like the darkest blue of the palette. It's this one here. I lost the shade name sheet a long time ago, so I have no idea what the shades are. Sorry guys. Now I've just got to try and find a clean brush. So, probably be here a while. So, we're taking the dark blue of the palette and putting that up the top part of my eye. Oh god. This is probably the princess I've been the most nervous about, so hopefully it turns out okay. This blue is very patchy. I feel like everyone says purples and stuff are really hard to work with. I think the colour I struggle with the most is blue. I just find it to always be so patchy. But anyway, I don't know. Yeah, see, look, it's we're already off to a bad start. That's fine. Just gonna try and keep building it up. But yeah, I don't know why I find blue so hard to work with, but I just feel like they don't agree with me. I'm gonna take a bit of the lighter blue and just put some of that over as well to try and fill in a few of the gaps and stuff. Make the colour a little bit nicer, I guess, as well. And also just blend it out a little. I'm really proud of myself because I have been planning to film all day, and usually when I get home from work I just can't film. I'm just like, nah. But I pushed myself tonight and we're here and I'm filming and I'm feeling very proud. Okay, I know how it looks at the moment, but give it time. I'm just quickly swiping off my brush and getting the pigment off it, and we'll just do little circle motions. I just need a bit of a smaller brush now, and I'm going to jump to red. So I'm just taking the red of the palette and I'm putting that in the outer corner. And then I'll start bringing it into the crease because we're going to do a half cut crease today. I can feel something tickling my nose, but I can't see anything there. This is one of those eye looks that you just kind of have to play around with for a little bit. I'll cut the crease in a second, but first I'm just kind of going to go and blend all of this. And then if the red fades a little bit, it's fine because we can bring it back a little bit later. But I'm going to go off camera now and cut my crease, and then I'll be back. Okay, so got my cut crease done now. And then I'm just gonna quickly take this brush that had the red on it and use that to kind of blend the edge a little. And then we're gonna take a yellow. So just gonna take it on like a flat brush, and I'm just taking the yellow from the palette, just putting that everywhere. I hate when brushes shed. It's honestly the most annoying thing. I feel like at the moment it looks kind of crazy, but I feel like it's gonna come together. I hope anyway. And I'm gonna blend the red and the yellow a bit more so don't worry. feels good to use my James Charles palette again, because I haven't used it for a while. I feel like it's about to get a lot of views coming up to Halloween. But I also feel bad neglecting it for the whole year. Alright, I'm gonna take that brush once again that had the red. It's turned a little bit orange just where it's blending, but that's fine. Alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my NYX liner brush. I'm gonna take a bit of, I might just take the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Fair 00. I haven't used that for so long because I'm usually using my P-Louise base. But I'm gonna use this to do some white liner. I've almost used this up. Like I'm scraping at the edges. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna use this. Just like that. Alright, I feel like that looks quite cute. I also want to do some normal liner, so some black liner. I'm just going to take my Fenty Beauty one, my Fly liner. Cool. Oh my god. I've ruined it. Okay, we're just gonna have a thicker liner today. Alright, that's gonna have to do before I ruin it. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do the rest of my face. I know I've got concealer all over my face. Yeah, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look. I just went in with the Doll Beauty lashes in the style Jasmine, and this is how it looks. I am quite happy with how it turned out. It's not something I'd wear like on the everyday, obviously. It's probably not something that I feel like suits me that well, but for what I had to do, I feel like I've done a good job, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm really quite happy with the way it turned out. Like, I definitely don't hate it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for watching this series. I've had such a fun time doing it. Let me know what series you guys want to see next. I think I have an idea for one, but I would love to hear your thoughts as well. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!